Bug-Eye guys, here is a short video about these regulators. This one is a dummy because it has an alternator, so this is just a fuse in this dummy regulator, but they normally live here. If you have a generator equipped car of any Sprite or Midget with a generator, this regulator is sometimes a cause for a no charge situation. So I just want to show you how we clean the points on these. This case is held on with this little wire that you saw on the other unit. You flip this down, lift off the case, and here's the inside of the voltage regulator. And if I can do this with one hand holding the camera, I want to show you there are points right here, and those points can get corroded or oxidized, so you need to clean those. And there's a contact point right here on the top. And this gap also can get corroded or dirty. So we're gonna put a piece of sandpaper or emery paper between here and between these points and clean those surfaces so we're certain that we're getting good connection between those contact points. There's also a set of points on this side, and these are under tension. So you can see a gap there between my fingers open. As that energizes and pulls down, you can almost see there might be something hanging down on this one. But regardless, we're gonna run our emery paper between those contact points as well. So to do that, we'll start with the tough one first here, which is probably this one, because you need to fold your little paper, slide it in there so that it'll fit. And then it's easier with two hands. Of course, I'm holding the camera today because I don't have a helper at this moment, but you're gonna basically hold the points closed and pull the sandpaper back and forth to try and clean that surface. Then you're gonna go on the other side. Let's see if we can get it to focus. The other side, and try to get the sandpaper in that gap like so, and run it back and forth in there. It's more like dentistry when they check to see if your teeth are hitting. But in any event, you slide the sandpaper between and clean those surfaces, and you get a better connection. This is actually a burnt regulator, so it's just a demo. But nonetheless, on this side, similarly, you're gonna hold this down, slide the paper in there, and clean the surfaces, and then probably just blow out any residue and then give it a try. Now, if this is on your car, you have to do it on that fender where I just showed you on that other car. And in order to do this, please make sure you disconnect the battery first so that you don't weld the contacts or short your charging system by doing that. So that's a little bit about regulator cleaning. This is just 400 grit wet dry sandpaper. You can use emery cloth or some other abrasive if you like. It doesn't need to be too aggressive. You just want to get the corrosion off of there. Thank you for watching at Bug-Eye Guys.